Yeah, what's happening today is that, as we knew, streaming is really exploding, and this will very soon expand to the 5G and 4G networks. So the challenge is really scalability, in quality. So we need to make sure that we can absorb this very high volume of streaming traffic, including on the 4G and 5G networks. So the challenge is really to cope with this high volume of traffic. And so at Broadpeak we are developing different types of solutions. Of course, we are making sure that we can deploy the CDN in the 5G network, from the 5G network on multiple type of multi-access edge computing platform, edge platforms. And we also want to make sure that the CDN is elastic and dynamic. So we want to make sure that we have the CDN capacity in the 5G network where it is needed and when it is needed. So we have, I would say, not only a highly quality system which delivers the expected experience to the users, but we also have a cost-effective system, so we don't have a static CDN, which is mostly the case today. So to overcome those challenges, so again, we first try to bring the content closer to the consumers. So we bring the CDN workloads basically within the 5G networks, which is great because 5G is natively designed basically to have a very distributed network and functions. We also exploring and offering solutions basically to use satellite as contribution basically down to the 5G multi-access edge computing platform, and we try to make sure that we have a dynamic CDN, as I said. So we used container-based functions for the CDN, which allows them to make very, very flexible, very distributed and cost-effective.